Hi, my dear friends. Today, I will show you the best healthy food spots in Los Angeles. But before I begin, I have to give a shout out to my brother, Naveen. One of the things I admire most about him, aside from his uncanny ability to put up with my nonsense and shenanigans, is his commitment to healthy living. That commitment is evident in his natural skincare business, as well as his diet and lifestyle. I wish I had his willpower. Luckily, I do have him as a culinary guide whenever I'm out in LA. Here are some of the best health food spots that he turned me on to. Number 1, Honey High. Located in the trendy Echo Park neighborhood is a sunny, friendly cafe that is committed to organic sourcing and clean eating. The food here tends to be fresh, seasonal, and super local. Much of their produce is grown on small farms within Echo Park. Number 2, Tulsi Indian Eatery. With 3 locations in downtown, Westwood, and Northridge, you'll find all regions of India represented in the dishes at Tulsi, as well as some items that are unique to the restaurant, and everything on the menu is plant-based. Number 3, Forage. Located in the hip Silver Lake neighborhood, Forage is another restaurant committed to fresh, seasonal produce. Forage's eclectic menu features dishes like Korean fried chicken, salmon belly tacos, and a vegan yellow coconut curry. Number 4, Sun Cafe Organics. Located in Studio City, this is one of my new favorite spots in Southern California. It has some beautiful outdoor seating on its sunny patio. It also has a 100% plant-based dairy-free menu, and it serves colorful, creative dishes. The best thing is that nearly all of their vegan substitutes are scratch-made. And number 5, Sage. With locations in Pasadena and Echo Park, as well as a takeout spot in Culver City, this gem is committed to organic eating. They even use their food scraps as compost in their organic farms. Beer and healthy food rarely go hand in hand, which is why it was so refreshing to see a place like Sage. I expect to get a text from Naveen with at least 3 more awesome LA health food spots that he's discovered since I returned from my trip. In the meantime, I am glad that these places are now part of my LA repertoire. I would love to know some of your favorite spots. To know more, visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.